Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Not sure if you can hear, it's raining like cats and dogs outside my house right now. I feel like eating braised duck, Teochew braised duck. Let me quickly show you how to do it, the simplified version. Yeah. Now I have what I bought from the wet market this morning. It's a freshly slaughtered duck. The whole duck is like 4 kg. I bought only half of it, so this is 1/4. So it also comes with one claw. So I'm going to braise this only. Then to make the braise, I'm going to use some garlic, old ginger, fresh coriander roots. This is shallots. You can put in some galangal if you have, yeah. Then I have a bit of star anise, cinnamon stick, and bay leaf, and some 13 spice powder. Of course, you can use 5 spice powder, and then a bit of like 1.5 tablespoon of rock sugar. Now, usually duck will have stronger flavor than chicken, so you may want to wash it more thoroughly. What I did was I actually rubbed some salt on the surface of the duck just now, and I rinse it under water. Okay, that will help to remove the gaminess of it. Let's get ready a wok or deeper pan. Give it some oil. Let's start with sauteing the fresh herbs. We're going to saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Now, things like ginger, shallot, and also fresh coriander roots, they all will help to remove the gaminess of your duck. Now that you start seeing some of the ingredients here started to brown, we can actually put in the dried herbs. Give it a few stir. Then get ready some hot water. I added approximately 1 liter, maybe slightly lesser than that. Now we can start putting in the condiment, rock sugar, the 13 spice powder, few rounds of premium light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, dark soy sauce, about 2-3 tablespoons, some fine salt, and let's bring this to a boil before we continue. If you want some added flavor, I have some fried shallot and shallot oil here for added flavor. Optional. Let me add in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. It's made out of 100% natural ingredient. You can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Alright, once it starts boiling, we can naturally slowly put in the duck. I have one duck feet here. And I'm going to braise some hard-boiled egg together. So let's bring this to a boil again. Once you see it started to boil, I'm going to close it with a lid, tune down to medium heat, and cook it for medium or medium low, yeah? Cook it for minimum 30 minutes. This is after the first 10 minutes. Let me flip the duck over. And we will continue braise it for another at least 20 minutes. This is after another 10 or 10 plus minutes. I'm going to turn the duck one more round. Basically, I'm already getting the color I'm looking for. So let's finish up for the final 10 minutes. For those of you who are wondering why is it I'm using such a high temperature, it's actually because the broth I'm using today is actually quite a lot for the amount of duck that I have. So I'm trying to reduce it faster. This is after about 32-33 minutes, actually almost there. I decided to add in some hot pot fu zhu, which is one of my wife's most favorite. And hot pot fuzu, the good thing about it is it only needs about 1 minute to get it cooked. See, it's already done. It's ready to be eaten once it is softened like this. Less than 1 minute actually, maybe 10 seconds. So now we have the egg. We have the egg, we have the duck, and then we have fuzu. Here's my simplified version of Teochew braised duck. You can make it at home easily, all done within about 30 minutes or maybe 35 minutes. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Dinner doesn't have to be very complicated. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.